Hi everyone, Agnes here. Now, are you saying I want more contact? And you're saying that about someone in particular in your life. Now, if this is you, I am running a mini course on I want more contact and how to go about that. I'm going to share with you some very specific steps. We're going to look at the negative beliefs you hold about contact. We're also going to look at your fear of not being important to them. We're going to look at the everyone is you pushed out, as in what's going on within you that is perhaps handbraking the contact. And also we're going to go through a head in time technique. So this is what the little plan will be for this Sunday. It starts at 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. UK time this Sunday, 14th of September, for those of you that would like to join me for this condensed little course. So I will see those of you that come on that day. All the information's down below in the description. Lots of love and see you then.